Hey, Bay Area. I'm here at CoBiz in the Pumzinka room. Man, I don't know who needs to hear this, but a lot of us need a safe space. And coming to this summit at CoBiz, you will get not only your healing, but you will be introduced to a safe space, something that we all need. I know that a lot of the times it's hard for us to face our trauma, but this summit, you not only get to face your trauma, but you get to have a safe space while doing it. We get to heal, we get to talk to other people that's like us, that's been through what we've been through. It's a time for change, and I know change is hard for a lot of people, but it's necessary. So this summit is going to introduce us to healing. It's going to introduce us to a safe space. And not only that, it's going to introduce us to an action plan where we actually start implementing the change that we want to see. Right here at our very own CoBiz, June 7th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.